Reliable replacement. This tail light assembly is designed to look and function like the original part on specific vehicles. Excellent value, original equipment quality at a lower price. Durable materials, rigid plastic protects against weather and road conditions. Easy installation, built to match the exact original dimensions for proper fit. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Need a new tail light assembly that looks, fits and performs like the original, for less than going back to the dealership? This replacement tail light was built to match the stock tail light on specific vehicles for a seamless fix. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. All in all easy. Well packaged, quick delivery and easy install. Definitely buy parts from them in the future.